Who says downsizing means giving up space? This 2,600 square foot maintenance provided villa offers 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and lots more. Two levels of decks overlooking the subdivision fountains, peaceful, easy, low maintenance. Entire villa updated in 2016 and extremely well cared for, clean and move-in ready with room to make it your own. Located in a popular gated community with a strong retiree presence, and yes, it includes a chairlift for long-term accessibility. Space without the upkeep, that's the win. Let's schedule your showing. 2 living areas, 2 laundry areas, lower level bar, and a great storage area. For more information or to book a private showing on this new listing, contact me, Susan Ebling, 573-216-1233.